So, hello, Dust Devil. Call me conservative, call me having fun. I always just start making sure I'm just near the edge of the clouds. Thinking about my next chess move here as I was coming up, keeping an eye on the development over the mountains and everywhere. We got rain back there, and today I sunk out and had a short flight. Kind of got back up in time in Roldanillo, which is rare, but we're having this weird, really wet system, and let me turn that down. So we got some pretty big development, and you know, it's 1:45, so we're still good. We got some blue holes in the valley, but with this particular system, 2023 January, mid-January, it's been blowing up a lot more than normal. So you can tell I'm looking at the ground for the clouds and seeing that there's some small ones out here rather close, and I'm at cloud base, so I'm just going to push out in the valley and just really feel what the lift's like out here. Get on some bar here and cruise across the valley. And again, I'm just having another slow day. I'm hanging out with some friends and some students that landed, and Booterbow had a great flight this morning and yesterday. Came up from Piedichinche to Rolda. And if you look around, you can just see we're at cloud base. You can look at the ground for the cloud shadows, and you can see that up here it looks like, oh man, maybe there's clouds everywhere or whatnot, but there's not. We got plenty of blue holes, and if you look at the shadows, we got nice small cotton balls there. Okay, we got some gliders. We're kind of running for Roldanillo, and we got some nice small shadows over there, so we're still good, you know, for our intermediate XC advanced people. So nothing ODing out here in the valley, and across the valley it looks even really good. So we're gonna hang out, we're gonna fly, we're gonna try to stay high here. I'm kind of going for the closest shadow. I'm gonna go for this one over here because it looks to me to be the one that's most in the stages of development. We'll see if I'm right. But anyway, always thinking about what we're doing on the way up, where we're going next. We're not waiting until cloud base to make our next move. Not staring at our thermal tracker too much when there's other pilots around. Once we're established, just getting into the feel of things. I got a pilot to my right going up, orange glider, and one across, about 3/4 across the valley going up. So super nice to just have those markers. So anyway, cloud shadows, get into them. You can tell a whole lot more by the shadows sometimes than you can by looking at the clouds. Those shadows tell you which way they're moving, how big they're growing, which one's closest. Ton of good stuff we'll go over in ground school.